Hi everyone, this is Dr. Renu Nair, dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon at Dr. Renu's Skin and Hair Clinic, Bangalore. Teenage years are very important for skincare practice because this is the age when you start developing certain marks or blemishes which can be permanent, and this is also important to prevent premature aging. So a good skincare routine in teenage years is very important in order to prevent this. Let's see 10 important points related to this. The first one is using the right skincare products to cleanse your face. So you should wash your face at least twice a day using a right cleanser. You can use an exfoliating cleanser if you have oily skin and a gentle cleanser if you have dry skin. So do not forget to wash your face at least twice a day. The second common thing we encounter during teenage years is acne or pimples. So it's important to treat these pimples because they can lead to scars which will be permanent. So don't try to pick or open up your acne, just get yourself treated from a good dermatologist. The third thing is about makeup. So teenage years, everybody would love to start using makeup products, but remember, you have not yet reached the adult or mature skin. So use gentle products, keep it to the minimum and make sure you wash it at the end of the day. Another important area where we need good routine is your lips. So lip dryness is very common because you might be licking your lips often, you might not be drinking adequate amounts of water, or you might be using certain cosmetics which contains a lot of color or a lot of fragrance. So the important thing here to note is use a hydrating moisturizer for your lips quite frequently. You can even apply them every 3 to 4 hours and stick to products which contains very less fragrance and very less color. Don't forget to drink adequate amounts of water to reduce the dryness. Another common problem seen during the teenage years is dandruff. So this, again, like pimples, is because of the excess sebum activity. So you have to make sure you wash your hair frequently, at least twice or thrice a week, and use a good anti-dandruff shampoo at least once or twice a week to get rid of it. Dandruff, if left untreated, can also lead to pimples on your face and sometimes rashes on your body. The next thing which everybody would like to do is remove the unwanted hair from your face and body. So the best option is laser hair removal. You can start doing it probably after 16 years of age and do it from a right place so that you get the good results. Another important thing that you need to do is to take care of your nails properly. It's very common for the teenage kids to start biting your nails, then using a lot of nail colors which might contain harsh chemicals. And also when you start doing manicure or pedicure, to unnecessarily remove the cuticle. So these things you should avoid. You should stop nail biting. You can also use a moisturizer for the nails and do not remove that cuticle which is needed for the protection of the nails. The next thing is about hygiene. Hygiene and also when you have excessive sweating. So when you go to hostels, so you have to make sure your proper body hygiene is done. So especially people who have excessive sweating, make sure to take bath at least twice a day, and you can use antiperspirant powders in order to reduce the sweating, and do not share your towels or your soaps. This is a very common reason why we get certain bacterial infection and fungal infection. So keep all your stuff only to yourself, especially when you're going away from home. Now the most important thing, last but not the least, is about your diet. So you should have a good lifestyle practice in order to maintain your skin and hair. So make sure you eat healthy. Don't always go for junk foods, or add on more fruits and salads in your diet, and also try to avoid certain practices like smoking, because smoking can in fact cause a faster aging of your skin. It also leads to hair loss. Thank you.